Hi beauties, it's Carol. I don't know if I've worn this dress for you in another video because I did make another video with it, but I don't know if it ever went up. It is the cutest little house dress, sundress, and you're really supposed to put your arms through here and then it comes up like that, which I don't like. I like it off the shoulder, and it's a good after shower dress or romping around the house. I want to show you a few things today. I got these glasses. Now, this is a new kind of mason bowl jars. These are called nesting bowl jars. Now, you could use them with these covers, and you could can. You could do some canning if you know how. And these lids came from a different vendor, someone from Etsy. And they pre-drilled the hole for you. And I like that it's plastic, it won't rust. It's just very nice. And I could put any size straw. I could put a boba tea straw, the very wide ones. And this is the jar. It's 16 ounces. And if you're gonna freeze it, it's a freezer line fill. Put it there, a ½ an inch away from the top. You could freeze them, refrigerate them, microwave them. And I also ordered some covers that don't have the hole, so I can make a salad. I could put pickles and vegetables and cucumbers and vinegar in there and make my own little salad. I could store leftovers in it, and I can have a cute little drink. And wait till I tell you the price. On Amazon, it was about $16 to $18. So while I was surfing the net, I found it for $9 and change at Target for 4 glasses with 4 covers. And then I will put the link down for these covers too. And for the ones without the holes. So the vendor that makes these with the holes, she also makes them without the holes. And they're great jars. The reason I absolutely like it is because they stack. You could stack 2 of them in your cabinet. Maybe most of us, even with a big kitchen, you might still need cabinet space. But you could stack 2 of them on top of each other. And it also will fit in your car cup holder. You could bring it out with the cap that has no hole, and it won't spill in your purse or in your bag. And then you could put it in your car cup holder. It's up to you. I really don't bring them out. I just use them around the house. And, oh, something else. This is the pink lemonade I've been drinking. See the pink? I love this drink. It's sugar-free. It's WYLERS Light, excellent source of vitamin C, pink lemonade, naturally flavored with other natural flavors, 10 singles to go. And 10 of these little ones come in. And I'm going to show you, ooh, the cutest little container I got from my refrigerator. It's by TEAMI. T-E-A-M-I. I don't know if they say TEAMI or TEAMI. I say probably, I bet it's probably TEAMI. Look at this cute little drink pitcher I bought. I think it was about $20. It has a strainer inside it. You can put cucumbers, strawberries, maraschino cherries, and you could just flavor your water, or you could just make your lemonade fancy. And one of these makes a perfect one of TEAMI. They have it in green and pink. Of course, I got the pink. I buy all accessories in pink. My house is black and white and brown and silver and all accessories are pink. Okay, so that, okay, what else I have to tell you? I went to get my mammogram the other day. This is usually the time of the year where I get my flu shot. I got my booster shot. I usually get my flu shot this time of year, which I did, and then I go for a mammogram, either now or in February when my birthday is. So they give you a little package, and to self-exam, you poke this out and put this on your shower head, and then it shows you how to self-breast exam. They also gave me this magnetic clip. Put it on something magnetic. It's a very good clip, or you could use it as a chip clip. So that, they did the 3D, and they said that this month it's covered by my insurance. So I don't know if it's covered all the time, but it's worth asking for. So they gave me the clip and the mask and what else? And all those little goodies in the bag. Very cute, right? Anyway, this is a reminder to go for your mammogram. I had gone for my mammogram in October of 2019. I didn't go in 2020 with the pandemic, but that's why I went now. I actually forgot. So I usually go every year. Okay, so two cute things, two senior things. This is my key for my house. I just bought it in Lowe's. It has 13.1. I don't know what that means. And it's a little pink key. This is my mailbox key, and then this is my pill holder. I put a Valium and I put a Xanax, a very, very old one that might be 10 years old, but just in case I get stuck in the elevator or there's an earthquake. So that's how my brain thinks. In case of an earthquake, I need a tranquilizer. Okay, so now I put it on any bracelet that I have or that I've made. And I use a big lobster claw loop, and I wear it, and it looks like, I have to really change the lobster claw and get a silver one, but it looks like a pool locker, a school locker, or something. It looks like I have a locker, and meanwhile, it's because I've gotten locked out about 2 times already, and I didn't have a spare key around, and now I gave everybody a spare key. I gave my kids a spare key. I put one in their house, put one on their keychain, put one in their car. I'm never getting locked out again. Okay, another senior moment, senior product, is a digital day clock. And this is the box. Now this clock, I got it in white. It says the day. It says if it's morning or afternoon or nighttime. It says the time and the date. It's wall mountable, it has alarms, dual time mode, and auto night dimmer. 8 languages, clear bold display. Now they call this the dementia clock. But I don't go to work. I don't know what day it is sometimes. I mean, if I don't have to go anywhere. I've missed a couple of doctor's appointments because of that. I just don't know what day it is sometimes. And it's funny, my mom always asks me what day it is, what time it is when I'm at her house, and I wasn't even sure. But my son had bought my mother 2 of these, which I think is fabulous. And we always looked at the clock to see exactly what day and time it was to tell her. And now I said, you know what? I think I need one. I would like to just glance around in my day, during my daily chores, and see the date and the time. I can ask Alexa, but I don't feel like it. I just want to see it. I just want to see the day and the date and the time. So there's a video of my clock, and I put it right there in the living room facing the dining room table. And there's my little clock. It has the day, the morning, afternoon, or evening, the time, AM or PM, the month, the date, and the year. Wow. I think it's great. I mean, it's great just to glance over and say, oh, it is Wednesday. Okay. in case you forget, like me. There you go. See it all day. And I think it's pretty cool. I like it. You know, even if you're on vacation for a week, you don't know what day it is sometimes. And that helps in case you need to know. Maybe you don't want to know. I'm with you if you don't want to know. Except I missed some appointments, so that wasn't good. This is good, and it's very cheap. It's very cheap. Target, Walmart, everybody has this. Maybe the Dollar Tree. I like it. I drink regular water too. It's just another thing. So let's see. That's it for today. I hope you have a great day, a great week. I will try to put links down below for everything I mentioned or showed you to help you shop. And prices. I always put the prices so you don't even have to bother looking if it's not in your price range. But I can guarantee that almost everything I show you is in a great price range because I'm looking for a great price range for everything. And I'm here to help you. Have a great day, a great week, and remember, I love you.